Yo, Choppaling. Yo, Chopper. So yeah, I deal with Choppaling or everything. Long time I see you now when I charge it. I wish breeze blow your ass up. A long time I see you now. Long time I see you. I wonder if I foreign you reach. In this 2023. Happy New Year, dog. A long time I see you. I wonder where the John wants to start my friend. So what I deal with? Where really I deal with? Because I not see know about the place from what they in the church. I wonder what going for you. Come like a fly out or them thing. I don't know. I don't know. I know, man. Forward make me sing and all that chat, man. Yeah, man. I'm glad for you, man. I'm glad for you, man. Just do your thing and see you, my friend. Just do your thing and just not run with the next time. Cause if I run with the next time, at least get a little yam banana come down here. Because I know say a country good already. No, Choppaling, I'm for fly out and I make you no charge. How can I style? No, man. And I fly up and I do some business me have to deal with over on my side, you see. So I finish up and say me come give you a link. You see? Yeah. Yeah, man, just do your thing. Yeah, man, charge it. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, just do your thing. Hear from, just do your thing. Glad to see you too. Yo, Choppaling, beg your thing now, dog. Or I can beg such charges, stop beg no, man. Alright. Everything good, man. Everything good. I know what to do. Yeah, I know what to do. Imagine I tell you what's more 50 line, not just 50 line. I could give me. Watch it joke. Just watch it joke. Just 50 line, me ask the man. Just watch it joke. How would I? I open another youth, you know. But they beg me to fix it, I'm gonna give you. I say, I got trouble. So I would have copy agent. I copy agent come just know say I where I'm putting for charge it. Where I'm me trouble, brother? You see my face? But tell you know, I you know. Cause oh me know say you know. Remember what day when I live on the wall, you know. Let them say if me not get 50, me have to have things, you know. Them boys. No.
Choppaling comedy, you skit them body.